name is Wahab and this is a Master Tech third video. Today I am going to show you how to press Galaxy Y S5360. First, you download ODIN file, then open ODIN, and then your phone get downloading mode. Press power key, volume down key and home key at the same time. This message show in your phone. Then connect your data cable in your phone. And then press volume up key. Message showing there, your phone is connected. Then showing the message, then add a file, PIT file in your ODIN software folder, Totoro file, and then add bootloader, and PDA, phone, your phone modem, select the modem, open CSC, select GTS 5360 multi CSC, open, all files are added, and then click all files are added, then click start. Install a stock ROM. This is showing installing. Installing is running. Can't touch this option section. This is a default section. Complete your stock ROM and reboot your phone is automatically. Install a ROM from phone automatically. Your phone is starting. Your phone is booting. Your phone is start. Take some time to load. Your ROM is installed. Touch Android symbol to continue. Sign in. Skip. Your account is available, then sign in your Google account. Next. Your stock ROM is completely installed. Media scanning.
Just for a few more.
All file in